Hello, BIS Infotech welcomes you at Electronica 2026 Day 3. With us, we have Mr. Ashok Yadav, Head Marketing from What's Electronic. So, sir, Electronica 2026 is how treating you.
So it's a very nice platform to showcase our product, and we keep on presenting our products from the last 5, 6, 7 years. And every year, it's a very new, innovative things we are seeing here. The new product things the people are showcasing. The same way, we are also showcasing our product range. So basically, our company is producing the passive components, and resistor is the main category, and this company is from 1979, and we are the leading manufacturer of the resistors from India. Apart from that, we are also dealing in the other product categories like diodes, MLCCs, and other passive components which is being used in the industry in India market.
So, what are the key products or innovations you are showcasing here at the event?
So this year we are showcasing our new product, which is MELF resistors, which is in 0309 package, as well as 0204 package, which we have introduced, which is a very new product, and which the seeing the future, the industry, the market is in India, the smart metering, which is a new upcoming market for Indian industries. So this is a product which is being used worldwide. So now only few makers are producing this product. So Watts is the company which is also going to start this production very soon in India.
So, what are the key challenges your company is addressing through these innovations?
So the innovations, see, this is a time of AI. So the people are going for a more of a kind of chip kind of things in future. So we are facing a challenge, but we are also have a different industries in India, because India industry is very big. So we are seeing the India industry situation. We are also keep an eye on the product range, what we want to promote in Indian industry. So we are also trying to develop for those kind of requirements.
So, sir, I would like to know about the key vision of your company for the next 3 to 5 years.
So see, our company is growing every year by 20 to 30%. So our company is very aggressive from the last 3 years. Seeing the India's growth perspective. See, the Make in India is a trend is going on in India. So seeing the situation, we are keep on investing in every year. We are saying some new product we are keep on innovating. For example, like I have told you that for this year we are to start a production for the MELF product, which very soon will be starting production in India. So we, for the next 3 to 4, 5 years, we are based on situation and based on the India industry trend, the company research on that, and we introduce some new product.
How do you see trends like AI, automation, and sustainability shaping your products roadmap and your company?
So, like I told you that the India industry, seeing the AI is now very key trend. So the industry is moving in a more of a kind of chip kind of product. So like we are also seeing the same situation, the same product line. We are focusing on the MELF, which is the 0204, which is in line of that product range, which is a SMT kind of thing. So we are innovating and introducing that kind of product. Yeah.
Lastly, do you have any message for your customers?
So for our message, like the legacy which the carries our company Watts is known for our quality and very short lead time, delivering the product very efficiently, and it's an India company. So I would like to pass on the message that to use Make in India products and try to use maximum Watts, whatever, wherever they want to use it. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for the interview.